In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix OneDrive error 0x80071129 on Windows 11 or Windows 10. This error can be a bit frustrating, but don't worry. I'm here to guide you through the solution step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have OneDrive running smoothly again. First, we need to open the command prompt on your computer. To do this, click on the Start menu and type CMD into the search bar. Once you see Command Prompt in the list, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. This is important because we need administrative permissions to execute the necessary commands. With Command Prompt open, type the command OneDrive reset. Press Enter on your keyboard. This command will reset OneDrive, which often resolves specific errors by restoring default settings and dependencies that might have become misconfigured. If you see no output message, that's normal and usually indicates the reset command was successful. After completing the reset, wait a few moments to see if OneDrive restarts by itself. If it doesn't, we'll need to start it manually. To do this, press the Win plus R keys simultaneously to open the Run dialog box. In the dialog box, enter the following path. Local app data percent Microsoft OneDrive OneDrive.exe. This command directly starts the OneDrive application from its installation directory on your computer. Hit enter and you should see the OneDrive icon appearing in your system tray as it launches. If OneDrive still isn't operating correctly, the next step is to clear the cache. Open File Explorer and navigate to the following directory: local app data percent file Microsoft OneDrive cache. Clearing the cache can resolve issues related to corrupted temporary files that might be causing the error. Once you're in the cache folder, select all the files inside it and delete them. Don't worry, clearing this cache won't affect your data. Having done that, sign back into your OneDrive account if you find yourself logged out. Re-enable syncing for your folders if necessary. Look for the OneDrive cloud icon in your system tray, right-click it, and sign in with your Microsoft account. This step ensures that all your files are being correctly synchronized across your devices. Finally, restart your computer. This might seem like a simple step, but a restart can often resolve background processes that might interfere with OneDrive's functioning. Once your system boots up again, verify that OneDrive is running and no longer displays the error. There you go. By following these steps, OneDrive error 0x80071129 should be a thing of the past. If the problem persists, consider checking for software updates or reach out for further technical support. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech tips and solutions.